Textease Studio CT, the Movies application. This is a really powerful tool that allows you to stitch videos and pictures together to make whole movies. Let me show you how it works. If I go to the resource bank up here, I can search for some videos that I've already got. I'm going to work with some on cheetahs, so .avi will search for that file format, and here they are. If I drag my cheetah sprinting video out there, just pop this down for a minute because I don't want it yet, and lift it out of my bank onto the timeline, that's my starting video. So let's just run it to see. I can run it full screen if I want, and I can start it and stop it with a left-hand mouse. Escape takes me back. I'm now going to add 2 more videos to my bank so that I can use them to show you how to stitch things together. I don't need the resource bank anymore, so I'll just close it. If I drag these out onto the timeline now, you will see the effect. It's fairly obvious now that if I play that, I'll just get 3 videos end on end. Much more interesting if we put a transition in. So let's do a transition. There are a number of transitions for you to use. I think I'll go for a zigzag one this time. Okay. When I drag that transition out, you can see there's a little blue line that shows me how to line it up. And now the first video is going to play out while the second video is going to play in, and we'll use the same one there. Let's see the effect that that has. So that's how transitions work. What I want to do now is make a space for my title. So I'm just going to select the first video and cut it out. I can add it again to the end of the line if I want, like that. That'd be really good. And I can drag that transition back in. I've made a space now to put some text here. So let's go to text and we'll go for my videos of cheetahs. The font that's selected at the moment is Comic Sans, and that will do for me, and I'll go for bold. I'll go for a size 36. I'll change its colour to a navy blue, and that will be okay. I'll go for a background colour that's a yellowish one, and I'll make that a bit paler. And I'll add that to the custom colours and use that. And I'll make that transparent. I'll have it scrolling like that, and I'll add it straight to the timeline. And there it is. I just need to make that a little bit smaller. Let's see the effect that that has. Okay, if we wanted to now, we could have some effects. Let's just click on the effects and see what they are. We could blur or fade in or fade out. I'm not going to use those in this particular context because I don't think it would be appropriate. But we can add sounds. Okay, so let's add a sound. If I click on the sound in the back there, I can navigate to where I've got some sounds. Let's go for singing trees in this one. And there they are, the singing forest. Let's drag the sounds in there. And rather long set of sounds. I don't know how long they're going to last. Let's just bring that back. There they are. So I can make that smaller to fit in like that. Okay, let's see the effect. You can play about with this to your heart's content, as you can see. There's lots more functionality in here for you to have a look at. Enjoy.